In this video, we're going to show you how to install the Web Success Insights tracking code via Google Tag Manager. This video isn't about how to create Google Tag Manager. You need to have created that first of all yourself, and you should have tracking code from Web Success Insights. And the tracking code will look like something like this. The thing that will be different in yours will be the number in here, because that number is unique to every individual account. If you haven't got this piece of tracking code anywhere, then please do let me know and I'll ensure that you get that. So your starting point is that you highlight the code and you copy it. And then you go to Google Tag Manager. And in here, you click on Add a New Tag. In this new tag, you give it a name. So you might call that Web Success Insights tag. You can call it whatever you want to. It doesn't matter as long as you know what it is. And then click on Tag Type under Tag Configuration. And we're going to go to Custom HTML. Then you click into this box and you paste your code that you've already copied. It's important to click on Advanced Settings. And within tag firing options, change it to unlimited. Otherwise that will just track once. We want it to track all the time. Then scrolling down to triggering, click here. And we want it to be on all pages. So select that. And you'll see that here. Next you need to click on Save. And then you need to submit. That's really important that you do that. And when you click Submit, Tag Manager wants you to give a name to what you've just submitted. So you might give it a descriptive name here. It doesn't matter what you put in there as long as it makes sense to you when you're looking back over old versions. And you can also put a description in there, although you don't have to. And really importantly, you have to click on Publish. What that's now doing is linking everything up together, and Google will now come and visit your site and you will see that. It may be good to give Google a few minutes to come and have a look at your website, but after a few minutes you should be safe to go to your website, click through a few pages, and then you'll be able to see that movement within your account. And this is the way to check it. When you log into your account and go to Filters, All Visitors, you will see your visit and you'll recognize it because you'll see the pages that you went through at the time that you did it. When you can see that, then you know that the tracking code is installed via Google Tag Manager and everything is fine. If you are unsure whether it's installed correctly in Google Tag Manager, please do let me know and I'll check it for you.